Hello, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson, I want to teach you how to play the song Lead Me Home by Jamey Johnson. This song was requested by patron Judy. Thank you, Judy, for your song suggestion. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to play all the way through the song, and then at the end, I will break it down for you and explain it in more detail. Make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song. I've seen my last tomorrow. I am holding my last breath. Goodbye, sweet world of sorrow. My new life begins with death. I am standing on the mountain. I can hear the angels' song. Reaching over Jordan, take my hand, lead me home. All my burdens are behind me. I have prayed my final prayer. Don't you cry over my body, 'cause that ain't me lying there. I am standing on the mountain. I can hear the angels' songs, and I am reaching over Jordan. Take my hand, lead me home. Take my hand, lead me home. All right, now before I break this song down, if you would like to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page. Now for this song, I'm going to be playing it in the C chord family. So I've got a C chord. We've also got an F over C chord, and this is a great F alternative inside the C chord family. If you want, you can of course just play a regular F chord like this, or one like this, a bar chord. But the F over C, you don't have to bar anything, and it fits really nicely in this family, so it's a great alternative to use. And then the other chord we're going to be using is a G chord, and that's going to be it for this song. We're only using 3 chords, the C, F, and G. All right. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice, simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums, and then an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat the pattern. It's very important, though, that we put emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So every other beat, we're going to be strumming harder. So that pattern is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, and that's a great way to practice that pattern if you're not familiar with it. Just mute your strings and count those beats until you get comfortable with that pattern before you try to apply it to a song. Okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it for this song. Very, very straightforward, easy, a nice and easy one to learn if you are a beginner player. Okay, so I wish you the best of luck with it. If you do have any questions for me about playing this song, you can post any of your questions in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. I answer all of my patrons' questions. You can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page to do that. And yeah, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you in the next song tutorial. Take care.